Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the basics. Now begin contacting people today. First, lock your niche and revenue target so you focus only on viable owners. Then craft a 30-second pitch and update your LinkedIn headline to match that pitch. This reduces friction when you reach out. Simultaneously choose 3 outreach channels: LinkedIn, local chamber, and 1 industry meetup, and schedule 10 initial contacts in your calendar. Once done, you'll have momentum and measurable activity to optimize. You now build and vet your pipeline methodically. Start with LinkedIn filters plus Google Maps for physical businesses and chamber directories for credibility. Export a list of 50 prospects. Next, qualify each quickly: estimated revenue, owner or decision maker, and a trigger that creates urgency. Then personalize 3 message templates: initial connect, value follow-up, and a clear meeting request, so you can scale outreach while staying relevant. Make sure to track responses and move warm leads into calls within 72 hours. You're at the finish line. Convert interest into meetings. Aim for 15-30-minute discovery calls and always confirm the agenda beforehand so the owner knows it's worth their time. During the call, lead with a quick win, social proof, or a 1-page value sheet, and close with a clear next step and timeline. If you encounter low reply rates, troubleshoot by /B testing subject lines, changing channels, and shifting send times. This typically uncovers what's blocking responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.